On the road again on a rainy morning in Southern California. Honored to get this list and to go pick up this metal and keep it out of a landfill. So let's be careful out there, Grandpa. Let's get going. Press that navigate button. All right. One address is skunked. Looks like we got a few goodies over here. Can't take that dishwasher, but I can definitely get these bird cages. Not too heavy, but you know what? We're just topping off the truck this morning, and that's a good thing. Oh yeah. Up and in. I think I could take this light too. Oh yeah. Leave something for the next. Yeah, I don't need the light. Someone might want that. Leave that there. Nicely. Guys, I think we got it covered here. One little piece. Don't slip, don't trip. And we are good to go. All right, throw it on the truck, Grandpa. Let's go. Let the hustle continue. On to the next one. Oh yes, another microwave. I'm not gonna open it, I swear to God. Okay, maybe a little, get the cord out. All right, it's a rainy morning. Did I tell you guys? Oh. All right, not too shabby. Man, these streets, I feel for the residents and for like my services guys picking up trash this morning. Like, it's just a narrow streets. Just really got to be careful. There's no way there's two-way traffic. The place where I take the scrap metal is just east of the world famous Hustler Casino. That's where I'm at this morning. Look like they got to fix the letter N. We at the scrapyard and we're waiting our turn on this muddy Monday in Southern California. A whole lot going on. Just want to be safe. I just put the brakes on this hill and the truck slid about 4 feet. Just locked up in the back. Oh well. Got to be careful. But wait, there's more stuff on the truck. And we will get it off little by little. Make sure I don't go off the truck. Make sure these bed rails don't hit me, shoot. Well, I'm glad I wore gloves because that thing grabbed the glove. Better go get my glove and stay safe. Oh man, what a mess. Let's go. Woo, don't slip, don't miss. Ah. All right. Whew. Not wrought iron, but I'll take them. What a mess. Stay safe, Grandpa. All right, we got like a big pile of bologna here, but make sure it gets off safely. Boom. This stuff gets wound up pretty good in here. Gotta be safe. Glad I wore the heavy boots, man. This is gonna be one piece at a time. Yep. I got a guy who does crash hauling. He sets aside a little metal for me. I come pick that up regularly. This was a bunch of construction type waste. Oh boy. Oh man, this air fryer didn't make it. Well, the system was down, but they kind of were able to get a weight. And so we know we're right around 1,400 pounds. So into 195-ish. So it's a good little load. I'll do the math for us in a little bit. Thank you so much. As you guys know, the scale was busted, but I netted 1,440 pounds. We're about 0.87 cents per pound LB, which I didn't really write in there, but it's about 125 bucks, and that's just picking up scrap from my hauler. So get out there and hustle, and not bad for like overnight. 24 hours, 36 hours, I'll take it. And thank you so much. Be careful out there. It was wet and I was slipping on the back of that truck. Don't fall, Grandpa.